Welcome to the lesson on toxin and poison exposure. In this lesson, we will discuss how to provide care for situations of toxin and poison exposure. The list of toxins and potential poison exposures is extensive and beyond the scope of this video and the CPR handbook. A material safety data sheet, or MSDS, is required where chemicals are in use in businesses and institutions. The data sheets provide information about the composition of various chemicals and are useful when contacting poison control. To provide first aid care for toxin and poison exposure, first call 911. Tell the dispatcher about the chemicals involved. Ensure scene safety and wear personal protective equipment. Get the first aid kit and the AED. Remove the individual from the toxin or poison and seek a well-ventilated area if possible. Remove saturated clothing if present. Follow any recommendations from the 911 dispatcher or the MSDS sheet. Stay with them until advanced help arrives. If CPR is required, ensure mask is used if possible. When treating any toxin and poison exposures, the eyes should be flushed with copious amounts of water. Acids and alkaline solutions are particularly caustic and can lead to permanent vision impairments or loss. This concludes our lesson on toxin and poison exposure. Next, we will review adult CPR.